Greetings everyone. Today let's talk about exercise and weight loss. Does exercise help in weight loss? We'll break this question in two parts. One, can I exercise enough so that the calorie deficit created, or rather, can I burn enough calories to lose weight sustainably? Two, does exercise actually help in weight loss? Let's address the first part of the question first. Does exercise burn enough calories for me to be able to lose weight? Yes, it may help. However, that kind of exercise is something that's not sustainable for most people. As you can see in this chart here, the energy spent in activity is a rather small portion of our daily energy expenditure. Even if you exercise a lot, you can increase that to a certain extent, but not enough so that you can just rely on exercise to burn your calories and lose weight. Yet everyone keeps talking about exercising and tells you that exercise helps you lose weight. Why is that? Can I not just diet and lose weight? If I decrease my diet enough, there will be a significant calorie deficit and I will lose weight. And most people do say that diet stays the mainstay of losing weight. Why the emphasis on exercise then? Well, as it happens, when you keep on dieting, keeping a calorie deficit, your body slowly adapts. It's called metabolic adaptation. And your total energy expenditure, the large part of which is your basal metabolic energy expenditure or resting energy expenditure, goes down. And therefore, now even if you eat less, you either tend to gain weight or you don't lose as much as you did. This is where exercise comes in handy. Exercise is not usually a short-term solution when it comes to weight loss. Exercise gives you metabolic boost. Exercise keeps your basal metabolic rate high. Exercise helps you maintain your muscle mass. So when you have lost weight, you can sustain that lost weight despite eating well. I'm not talking about eating a lot. We are not talking about overeating here. Absolutely not. However, maintaining a maintenance calorie diet and yet being able to keep the weight off is an important result of regularly exercising. Keep in mind that these results are not something that are visible in short term. These results are not something that are visible in 3-4 months period. You expect these results over a period of years, and therefore stay with the exercise even if you don't see any short-term benefits. We will talk more about what kind of exercises we should do when we are talking about losing weight. However, the baseline stays, stay moving. Every movement that you make, every step that you take increases the likelihood that you will make the next movement, that you will take the next step. Movement begets movement. Just like we talked in the past, obesity begets obesity. This is a good thing here. Let's keep talking about it more as we come to our future episodes. Thank you very much.